In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Binance Coin CFD with PayPal on eToro. To get started, log into your eToro account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Before placing any trade, it's always a good idea to quickly check that your account is fully set up and that you can access deposits and trading features without any restrictions. Once you're in, click on Deposit Funds. This will open the funding window where you can choose how you want to add money to your account. From the available payment methods, select PayPal. This is a convenient option if you want a fast and familiar way to fund your account without entering card details directly on the platform. Next, complete the PayPal deposit by entering the amount you want to transfer and confirming the transaction through PayPal. After that, wait for the funds to appear in your available balance on eToro. In many cases, this is quick, but it's still important to confirm that the balance has updated before moving on, so you know exactly how much you have available to trade. Now go to the search bar at the top of the platform and type in Binance Coin, or BNB. When it appears in the results, click on it to open the asset page. This page gives you access to the trading interface, along with market information that can help you confirm you're selecting the right instrument. From the BNB page, click Trade. This will open the order ticket where you can set up your position. If CFD trading is available for your account and region, you'll need to configure the trade as a CFD. On eToro, this may happen when you apply leverage, or, in some eligible cases, choose a sell position instead of purchasing the underlying asset. The exact options you see can depend on your location and account permissions, so pay close attention to what is shown in the order window. After that, enter the amount you want to invest. As you do this, review the details shown on the screen, including your investment amount, your available balance, and the estimated opening costs. This step is important because it helps you understand the total cost of entering the trade before you confirm anything. Take a moment to review the full order carefully. Double-check that the amount is correct and that the estimated opening costs match your expectations. Once everything looks right, click Buy to open your BNB CFD position, and that's it. You've now completed the process of funding your eToro account with PayPal and using those funds to open a Binance Coin CFD trade. Thanks for watching.